Thanks for joining us for CBS 19 Plus. And today, I have to say, sadly, is my last CBS 19 Plus. I've enjoyed all of our time together, and I thought just to wrap up this summer and me just talking to you, we're going to talk about the heat. We're just going to go all through it because it's going to be hot today, tomorrow, and for the foreseeable future, we're going to see some triple digits. But there's a slight chance of rain, but I'm not going to get too ahead of myself right now. Let's start by just having a recap of what August looks like, because all you see is triple digits. I mean, all across the board. And on Tuesday of this week, we got a nice quick relief from the heat by just hitting 100. We thought we weren't going to make it to the triple digits and that was going to break the streak. And then we hit 100. So just triple digits to start out the month of August, which we've had 11 above normal days. And even that 102 right there for Friday today is still ongoing. We're probably going to get up to 106 for sure because it's just searing outside with 0 below normal days. So what does that mean consecutively? How many days have we had with triple digits? Well, right now it's ongoing. Again, ongoing right there, 19. So we're in second place right now. We're nowhere near the top spot, though, of 46 in 2011. 2011 was very, very hot. And actually, they ended their streak in 2011 tomorrow. And we're still trying to go at it and see how close we could get. So we're in the second top spot right now, and it's only going to increase, especially for the next coming weeks. So we'll see. We'll see how many days we can get consecutively. We saw that excessive heat warning going on until 9 p.m. It has been extended now, so it'll be on 9 p.m. Around Sunday. And right now, everybody's under this excessive heat or just any type of heat advisory because we're under this big ridge of high pressure. I mean, going all the way down to southern Texas, all the way up well into Kansas and Missouri. Everyone is feeling the heat and back out to the east. And again, that's because of this ridge of high pressure that I was mentioning. But I want to show you so you can see where is it? Why is everyone dealing with it? Well, it's this counterclockwise spinning of the winds, all parked over the Midwest and even over to the southeast. You see, they're starting to get some showers over there and some storms, maybe some big systems moving through. But for everyone else, we have this compressional warming that goes on under an anticyclone, which is what we use in meteorology terms. But all that means is a clockwise high pressure wind. So that's what we're under right now. And because of that, as the air is sinking, it's just warming. It's really compressed. It's not expanding at all. So it's just sinking on top of us. And then we just get really, really warm air and really, really warm temperatures at that. Because look at this 10-day temperature trend. I mean, just got to take a little moment to pause, catch my breath, because it's only 106, 107, 105 for the next couple of days this weekend, and then 98. See that 98 and just hold on tight to it. Remember that because I'm going to show you some possible rain chances. And then guess what? Okay, back up to the triple digits again, and then 98 again on Monday. That's the other chance for some rain. And I'll show you on the 10-day forecast just so you can have a visual of when we could see some rain. And that's why we're back in those double digits for our low temperature trend, because I've liked showing this very often because we've been at this lower 80 range for low temperatures the last few weeks. And then it's just nice just to see the 70s pop back in there. Over at 77 on Tuesday. And remember, I said the rain, that has a correlation to it. And then going into the next couple of days, we're going to dry out just a bit. Not going to be as muggy at night. So because of that, well, we get lower temperatures, but even then, it's still going to feel very warm outside, seasonably warm, so we're not going to see much relief. For tomorrow, because it's the weekend and everyone's wanting to get outside, I advise you now, probably want to stay inside as much as you can because high temperatures for Saturday all across the area. We're going to be in triple digits over in Mount Pleasant, 102 and 103, 104. And then we go again, getting hotter and hotter, 106 in Tyler tomorrow, Henderson 106 too. So we're going to stay in this 105, 106 range, especially as we go further south. And then over into deep East Texas, they're going to see the same thing, just around 106, 105, and 104. Either way you try and spin it, it's just hot, everyone. It's triple digits all across the board. And because of that, we've got to keep in mind our hot weather reminders, because we all want to be outside active this weekend. But if we're going to do that, we have to be taking the extra steps, especially because, just crossed my mind, it's tax-free weekend. So everyone's going to be outside. Because of that, we've got to make sure we keep water with us at all times, drinking and hydrating before you go out. I'll probably be with my mom this weekend shopping too, and I'm going to tell her and I, we've got to keep our reusable water bottles together, because it's really hot outside, and so we need just about 16 ounces of sweating for a water bottle. I didn't even know that myself. And not only that, but we need about 8 bottles of water a day. An average adult. So make sure you're keeping that water with you. Stay in shade as much as possible. Maybe try and not go to those outdoor malls, or if you do, bring an umbrella with you just to block out the sun rays. And then clothing, wear that lightweight, light colored clothing. Definitely not what I'm wearing today. Keep it to maybe just about a white color, or maybe a baby blue. And then also, pets and children should not be left in the car at any time. Not at all, not even for a quick second, because it gets really hot inside the car, and we don't want anyone to be suffering from any heat illnesses. Tomorrow, the burn time. Well, we're at a UV radiation index 11, extreme. So because of that, our burn time is about 10 minutes. We need to make sure we're reapplying that sunscreen. SPF 50 still needs to be reapplied every 2 hours. So make sure you keep that sunscreen with you as you're outside. And remember those burn bans that are in effect right now, as they're slowly creeping up to the north. Everyone's starting to dry out for the summer, not seeing a lot of rain. And because of that, we have elevated risk of wildfires and elevated risk of poor air quality. And that's why there's that outdoor legal restriction. Do not burn as much as you can outside, because it's just drying out for us. But I've got some good news. I'm not going to end everything with just bad news altogether. Well, the next couple of days going into this weekend, I know it's tax-free weekend, 106, 107, we could be breaking records going into this weekend. And even today, we could possibly break a record then. And then going into the next week, 105, keep the kids with some water, and definitely bringing them some ice cold water. Even Mara, one of our anchors, said freeze water bottles at night and then put it in the kids' backpack. So then by the time they're outside, it'll be thawed enough for them to drink. So have some ice cold water. We have some rain going on Tuesday, isolated showers. We'll see how widespread it gets, because we have a slight front that's moving through, and then more triple digits. And then our next chance for some rain is on Monday. So again, it's going to be very, very hot for the next couple of days. You need that water with you. You need light clothing. All of the things I just told you about, make sure you keep that in mind. Thank you for joining us for CBS 19 Plus, and I'll be signing off for the summer.